is Raj Katari, and for this hackathon, I've decided to build CityAlert. CityAlert is a web platform where you can report incidents quickly and easily and stay informed about your community's safety. CityAlert has two interfaces. There's the public interface, which is used by civilians, and then there's a departmental interface, which is used by departments and emergency services. The civilian interface has 3 pages. The home page, which is where you can report an incident, the alerts page, which is where you'll see any incidents that are reported, and then there's the resource page, which is where you can read any blogs or resources. That you can also subscribe to email alerts that will send incidents whenever they're reported to your email. So now that I've subscribed, it will send me a confirmation email just to ensure. Reporting an incident is quite simple. All you have to do is you press the button. Now there's 2 ways you can report an incident actually. The first way is for you to upload an image, and then the Gemini uses that image input and breaks it down and tries to identify what the incident is. Second way is to do it is just simply type up the incident in hand. Suppose I say water leakage in my neighborhood. Next, it uses the Google Pages autocomplete API, and it autocompletes our address for us. So I'm going to put this as my address, just a random place. And it asks me if everything is correct. I can proceed to submit. The chatbot also classifies each incident in different departments, so each department can handle their incident. So it has classified this incident as a public work incident. So if everything's correct, I can just press yes. It's going to submit our report. And now we'll be able to see it in the alerts page. So the way this works is it takes the address and it uses the Google's geocoding feature, and it breaks down the address into latitude and longitude. And using those, it takes those and uses the Google's Maps API to add markers onto our maps. It's just a cleaner and more intuitive way to see where the incidents are happening. And when you click on each of the markers, it provides those details again. We also get all this information in our email, which is what I'll show now. Next, we will move it to the departmental. So each department has their login key. So you can only access the department's dashboard when you enter the correct login key. So if you enter an invalid login key, you won't be able to see it. But if I enter the right login key, suppose I go public works key, I'll be able to access the area. It will show me a simple dashboard, which is where you can see once again the marker that has been placed. And now the departments have the ability to change the status of the incident. So suppose it's something in progress now, we can update that. Now we will update the marker and we'll update the status. And you will also get an email of that, which is what I'll show now. And once everything is done, you can just click resolved. It also updates the marker again. And then when you go to the alerts page, it syncs with that. So every time something happens on the departmental side, it real-time updates on the actual side on the public side as well. CityAlert also has a duplicate incident detection feature, just where if a person enters the incident that's already been reported, it will notify them that it's already been reported, and they don't have to report it again, just to ensure that the entire thing doesn't get all cluttered up. So when I do this, it's going to show me that our incident has already been reported. We can go to the alerts page, or we can report a different incident. So it shows me this, it's already been reported. And yeah, this is my hackathon project. Thank you so much.